Yes, folks, this is how I torture my kids. Go to it, geekazoid. Okay, they're gonna go and get a POV of the Boomerang.
Hey, little car.
Let's switch over to camera 1.
Camera 1, are you coming in? Camera 1?
No. She's going to Boomerang. Hello.
All right, we're gonna switch live up to camera 1 right now.
Thank you, camera 1. And for patrons coming to Big Splash, don't forget they have a full array of Big Splash grill items. Featuring hamburgers, hot dogs, soft drinks.
By the way, I'm barefoot. It's just like, who's got me? I'm in the water.
Okay, so Joe, let's try this again. No, come here. We're gonna try this one. Now, I'm gonna set it up, and then I want you to come in with the lunge spike. Got it? Ready? All right, ready? Let's do this. Emily, you better be ready. Ready? Okay. Here, do you want here? Set it up for me, and I'll show you what the lunge spike is. All right? Set it up for me. They used to call me Spike. See? See, when I was in high school, they called me Spike. Okay, ready? We had a volley going there, Joe. There you go. All right, there's the ball. There's Emily. Ooh. Yeah.
That's illegal.
on, Emily, try to set it at least towards me. All right, now here's the best part of going to the water park. The pizza.
I'm almost dried off, but I'm gonna give this.
And ladies and gentlemen, the pizza at Big Splash is probably the best pizza you will ever have. Look at this. Look at that dude. Look at that fat, thick thing. That's the way a pizza should look.
Who made this?
I've had pizza that was like as thin as a piece of paper.
Really?
With less topping on it than in a little ketchup package. I don't know, about as flavorful as cardboard. This, not only is it thick and amazing, but it is also thick with flavor.
So how do you know what's thick and thin? Because I can't tell.
That's thick.